Guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I will be teaching you a new topic. uh, in this topic we will cover the function of AND gate. I will just verify the truth table of AND gate. Let's start. uh, I have opened the workspace for Proteus, and let's take the components. First of all, we will take AND gate. I have taken AND gate. Now let's take LED display. I will take LED of red color to just display the output of my circuit. Let's take switches so that we can switch the input to AND gate. Now let's place the components. First of all, I will put the switches at place. Then I will take LED. I will put it there and then take the AND gate. Now let's start connecting the terminals of AND gate with the switches. I have connected both A and B input of AND gate with the switches, and the output of AND gate we will be connecting it with the LED. Now I have connected the two switches and one LED. Let's complete the circuit by providing ground to the LED. Now I have connected the ground to the output of LED. Take the power. So connect the powers. It is 5-volt power that I have connected to the switches. Double click on LED. As you are seeing that forward voltage of LED is 2.2 volt. Let's change it to the 5 volts. So LED will be on at when it will get 5 volts. Let's start the or run the circuit as you are seeing here. First of all, I will show you the truth table of AND gate. In AND gate you have two inputs A and B, and you have output Q. You just have two inputs, so when both the input will be 0, it will have 0 output. It means that your LED will be off, and when any of the input is on, means one is off, A is off and B is on, then still your LED will be off, the output will be 0. And same case in the alternative, vice versa. And in AND gate, when your both input A and B will be 1, means 5 volt, your output will be 1, means your LED will LED. Let's see. I have started the circuit in simulation. We have two switches. Now let's start. Let's give, in this condition, you are seeing that both the input are 0, so LED is off. Now make input A as 1. It means that you have 5 volts at input A. It's 1, 0. It is the condition that is shown in the last picture, that your A is 1, your B is 0, and your still output is 0. Again, switch off this one and switch on the other one. Now your A is 0 and B is 1, but still your output is 0 as LED is not LED. Now let's come to the third condition, that your both the switches or both the input are 1. Let's switch on. Now you are seeing that your LED, your input A is 1, input B is 1, and your LED is blowing up. So this justify or this verify that whole truth table of AND gate. and you have just seen it practically. So if you have any question, you can ask in comment section. For same, I will make the videos for OR gate and NAND gate. Stay tuned and remain connected. If you didn't understand anything, you should be free to ask any question. Thank you. Subscribe my channel and like this video.